Top features of 1Password. Secure employees at scale. As an identity and access management stack, it protects all employee accounts, even those you aren't aware of. Unmatched threat detection. Identify potential breaches and safety risks to proactively protect employees and business records. Sign-ins made simple with one click. 1Password is the simplest way to create, share, and use strong passwords. Secrets automation. Securely access your secrets and give them to those services which require authentication. Protect from hacks and allow smooth working. Protect your circle from hacks and breaches, making it smooth to apply sturdy passwords and find protection problems with the websites you use. Supportive and dedicated team to support. Get support from a dedicated team that provides professional, one-on-one support. Contact Software Horsepower for more offers.